Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I want to talk about TripAdvisor. So we've done 3 airlines this week, and yesterday we did Expedia. So I figured that would be a nice contrast to TripAdvisor. So what they do is pretty much the same as Expedia. Their current price is $30.49, which gives them a market cap of $4 billion, or about a quarter of what TripAdvisor has. Dividend is 0, so obviously dividend investors are out. Revenue $1.6 billion, slightly up. Earnings $113 million, up from negative $19 million. So that's certainly going in the right direction. And that gives them a PE of 36, which is slightly high for my taste. Total assets $2.2 billion, total liabilities $696 million, which gives them a total stockholders' equity of $1.5 billion. And I do like that, first of all, the liabilities are down, and second of all, the assets to liabilities ratio is about 3, slightly over 3, which is in the perfect range. You kind of always want to have 2 to 3. And obviously this is ever so slightly higher than that, but obviously still an amazing balance sheet, and especially the assets in relation to the market cap is pretty nice. So to sum that all up, obviously growth investors are not going to be happy with a 4% growth, and trailing 12 months is worse. Earnings growth is amazing, obviously. Anything over, 100%. Coming from negative, it's hard to kind of quantify that, but obviously going from negative to positive is obviously a hugely positive thing. Still, 113 million is not a whole lot, and a PE of 36 is kind of high, but still, things are going in the right direction, and if they continue to go in the right direction, that would probably be a really good stock down the road. I prefer to wait out the earnings for the current year, or actually now the last year. Their year ends 12/31, as many other companies, so I would expect earnings to come out end of this month, maybe early next month. So for a value investor, I don't really like this company either, because the revenue growth is pretty small, and obviously if they got the earnings to a point where they made like 25% net profit, that would give them a PE of 10-ish, which would be pretty amazing. So if they can get to that, that would be amazing, and I would recommend buying them. And because of that, I think that as a speculative investment, this is probably a good one. Still, I would probably wait out the earnings and see what happens then, see what they announce, see what the plans are, and see what the risk factors are for the future. But overall, I think that as a tiny speculative investment in a diversified portfolio, I think this would probably be good. I wouldn't really open a large position in this stock at this point. So that's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.